Hello and welcome to the channel Other Tongues. In this video we will discuss the Thai consonant saw, se. This is part of a series of videos to help you learn Thai. You will find the link to the playlist in the description. The Thai consonant saw, se sounds like an S at the beginning of a syllable. Saw. At the end of a syllable, saw, se sounds like a T. The accompanying word se means tiger. Saw, se is a high-class consonant and a stop final consonant. This is how saw, se is written. Important here is to start by drawing the circle at the bottom left corner of the letter in the clockwise direction. If you then follow the illustration here, you should not have any problems writing the letter saw, se from beginning to the end without raising the pen more than once. Saw, se looks very much like the Thai consonant law-ling, but law-ling does not have the stroke at the top right corner of the letter. Example of a word containing saw, se is sam, meaning the number 3 in the rising tone. Why the rising tone? Well, the single syllable in the word sam is a live syllable because it has a sonorant final consonant ma. The initial consonant saw, se is a high-class consonant, therefore based on the tone rules for a live syllable, sam is in the rising tone. There is also san, meaning short, in the falling tone. Why the falling tone? Well, the single syllable in the word san begins with a high-class consonant saw, se and has the tone mark mai to. San is therefore in the falling tone. That is the Thai consonant saw, se, which we can summarize as a consonant that sounds like an S at the beginning of a syllable and a T at the end of a syllable. It is a high-class consonant and a stop final consonant. The accompanying word se means tiger. Saw, se is written like this and looks like the Thai consonant law-ling. Words containing saw, se are sam in the rising tone, meaning the number 3, and san in the falling tone, meaning short. I hope this video was helpful. References to resources are in the description. You can write your questions and comments in the comment section below. Until next time, it's goodbye.